Vocabulary Quiz Set 13. Part 1 is matching. Match the words to the definitions by writing the letter in the blank. In our first half, we have brisk, cherish, considerate, displace, vicinity, abolish. As I go through the definitions, remember you should be pausing this video to find your match. A. Showing concern for feelings of others. B. The area near a place. C. To force to move or flee. D. To do away with completely. E. Energetic, fast. F. To feel or show great love for, or to take special care of. Second half, we have appeal, brittle, condemn, descend, dictator, thrifty. G. To criticize a person as wrong or guilty. H. A ruler or leader who has total power. I. Careful about spending money. J. Move to a lower place from a higher one. K. A request for something that is needed. L. Easily broken or snapped. Part 2, fill in the blank. In our first word bank, we have appealed, brisk, vicinity, considerate, thrifty, descend. Number 1, I learned how to be a blank shopper. 2, we watched the airplane blank onto the landing strip. 3, he was blank and turned down his music when we asked him to. 4, they went for a blank walk on the trail. 5, we live in the blank of the school. 6, I blanked to my mom to let me go to the dance on Friday. Second half in our word bank, we have brittle, dictator, displace, condemn, abolish, cherish. Number 7, don't blank him before you hear the evidence. 8, I will forever blank the teddy bear my grandmother had given to me. 9, many people fought to blank slavery during the Civil War. 10, the blank had been in power for 7 years. 11, weeds tend to blank other plants. And 12, the branches were dry and blank.